Get him a guitar when he turns 5.
Hi, Lyndon.
I can get him a guitar.
Hi, Lyndon.
I'll give him my old M&M's.
Say hi, Grandpa.
I'm sure he's gonna be freaking car head just next year.
Oh, bless her. Oh, bless her.
Not me.